What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another daily YouTube video where we cover the market, our trades, and all the content by year. Today is Thursday. I have made any YouTube videos the last couple of days. I don't know if you can tell I'm a little bit sick, but we're back. We've made a ton of coins. So I'm not going to stall. We're just going to get straight into it. Usual intro. Make sure you follow the Twitch. We stream twice daily, 4 p.m. to around 8 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. UK time every single day. Of course, follow Twitter for updates. And if you'd like to join the Patreon, this is the prices and the link is in the description for all of those. Of course, join our free trading Discord. We post free tips like these as well. All Greek players were instantly selling for 3.5k after content today. And Tonali was tipped at 43k at 5 a.m. on Thursday morning. And you can see Tonali right now is currently at the price of 53.5k. That was completely for free for everyone in the Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, join that. If you subscribe to the Twitch channel, you will get 5 days free Patreon every single month, which is where I post every trade I make, and I'll be showing you all the trades we have made. And also enter the free Patreon giveaway here, Discord only. You click this button every week, win one of 7 free spots. And if you'd like to win one of the 1 month free spots, they are here on my Twitter. All you have to do is like and retweet that. That's all that stuff. Let's get into the video. Today was Thursday, and today we did get an SBC and we did get marquee matchups as usual. Nothing too crazy really. The player is Ben Godfrey. A decent card, decent pace. I thought people wouldn't really want him, but clearly on Futbin they actually like him. It's only 1 squad and 85 squad, so pretty cheap. I mean, I think at 30k. If you look on Futbin, he has a nice like ratio, so you can tell he's pretty popular. A positive like ratio is pretty rare on SBCs on Futbin, and that's when you know people will like it. Marquee matchups, we got in the challenger section, nothing too interesting here. You need 1 Greek player here, so obviously all the Greek players went up briefly. I don't know if they're back down. And Chelsea, Nottingham Forest, but nothing really too interesting here. We didn't really trade it. What we did trade though is all of these cards you're about to see now. We bought tons of these cards last night on the Discord, and I'll just go through them one by one and I'll show you the prices. So the first one was Samka. These were all posted before Rivals Rewards, and so we thought the market was the lowest. And I also wasn't going to be awake, but there was actually another dip after content, after ATM rewards, which you could have bought. Stamka, we tipped at 100k, picked my one up for 100k. If you want to pause and read the description, you can. Sold her for 129. Nice bit of profit there. Next up is, we'll go in order of the posts. Next, actually, so we'll go for the top. First one was Van de Ven. He was obviously out of packs. We picked up Van de Ven on stream for 59k, so that's obviously for free. On stream, everyone could have bought with me. And there you see 69.5k. The next one was Griezmann, 97k. Didn't do too well on that one. Probably overinvested. Sold for 109. Went back in as well. Sam Kerr, obviously 100k. This is all the Patreon. This is where I post every trade that I make. Gazer for 115. I actually sniped mine for 110. Sold for 141. So he did really good. Leo Hernandez didn't actually do good. He went up to 435 once I posted this. But since came down, the more expensive cards didn't do too well. So that was an L. Alfonso Davies did really good, 20.5 I was picking mine up for, pretty easily as well. Sold all of them before marquee matchups for 29k. That's a big profit there, almost 10k card. Tomori we were picking up for 29k. He also did well. Sold those before content, only had 36k. Next trade, we picked up Karchawi. Didn't really do too well on Karchawi. Pretty much sold for the same price I paid, which was over here at 16.25. She dropped a good amount after the rewards, so it was too early. Kanate 15k. Sold my Kanates for 19ish, so a good 3k per card there. Musiala didn't do as good as I would have hoped, but we still made profit after all. Picked him up for 75k, and as you can see, there are PC prices too. Sold for 86.5. We then have Rodrigo. We picked for 130. Sold him for 153, but something interesting about Rodrigo I'm going to tell you soon. Next one was Koundé, picked up for 110. That's another interesting one actually. Sold him for 125. And then Rafinha did really good. He actually got as low as 53k after the rewards were given out, and I sold that card all the way for 77.5k. So he did really, really good. If you think about it, obviously sold before rewards. Adeyemi Team of the Week was another fantastic one. I have since cleared that, but he was 129k. And if I just show you on Futbin Adeyemi's price right now, you will see why I've already cleared it. And that's because he is extinct at 150k. So that was another really good dip buy. His graph looked really good to buy. And I know the demand he has. All the reasonings are here if you want to pause the video. Phil Foden did okay. Nothing too crazy. Picked him up for 100k. Sold for 114. But 10k is still good. And then this is all the trades from today. So I sold all of those cards before 6. But since 6 p.m. hit, did have a feeling some of the more expensive cards would continue rising, and they are really still rising. But I wasn't sure which ones I wanted to buy. So yeah, so I obviously saw before Adeyemi for 9.5k. With his Team of the Week being extinct, I think his gold can do well. I will sell most likely tonight though. I picked up a good amount of 9.5k. Rodrigo 145, I was sniping him, and Ferland Mendy's at 120. I actually have not tipped one of the cards I bought, I just realized. But I'm gonna do that with you guys right now. The final one I did tip is Koundé, or I was supposed to tip. Yeah, I was sniping Koundé's for 120. So I'm gonna quickly do this, I'll show you how I post it. This is how I would post on stream, but if you can see the post above, like Foden, I would post PC prices when I'm not on stream. And then I'll give them a market update. Oh, I'll give them a market update later. That was a marquee matchup sleek I had there. But yeah, here was our plans before. So 6:26 a.m., an hour and a half before reward. The market was slightly high, so I wasn't sure if we should keep buying or stop, but I went all in because I wasn't gonna be awake. I said, if you don't like the current prices, then simply wait for 8 a.m. when rewards release, and if the cards drop, then buy them then. And that's basically what happened. So a lot of people actually bought a lot of these tips at the same prices or even cheaper, even though the cards had already gone up by the time some of them had even woken up before the rewards. But yeah, I said it was a little bit interesting, some of those cards, and that is because I have actually re-picked up some more cards. I have re-picked up Rodrigo's at 145 after content because it looked like he was going to rise. You could just tell. Koundé as well. I do have a couple Koundés at 120. I got some Mendy's as well at 120 as well. The plan is to sell these tonight. I can show you the prices. And here are the Adeyemis. He rose really fast. There's probably people from the stream. The plan is to sell all of those cards tonight if I want to be completely 100% safe. But if you want the best method or the easiest way to make coins, if you're on a low budget, you already know what I'm about to say because we've been saying it all week. And it is the healing cards. Healing cards, 300 I have of the rare ones, and of the common ones, I have 386. So I have almost 700 of those cards right now. I'm picking these up for 250 coins on bid right now. It takes a while, and you do have to wait a little bit, but they are easily winnable at 200. And if you are skilled enough to snipe, it'll be a lot easier on the web app, but you can snipe these, as you can see there, for 200 coins. I'm listing my healing cards for the price of 650. Yes, 650. And I expect them to do really well. There's a Koundé, so I'll send them to the club. And I expect them to do really well this weekend league. Because as people will be playing weekend league, they're going to rush and quickly just buy the first healing they see. So if you can spend all your coins on healings, this is how I do it. I go 250 and I raise this up. This is the little trick, all right? You raise that up, you bid 250. Because if they have a lower buy price, like 400, 500 coins, someone will lazy buy them because we're lazy selling them for 650. Healings are the method for sure. I'll be out of all my other cards tonight most likely, and I'm going to have a whole transfer list of healings. Obviously, you list them one at a time. You guys all know the deal by now with healings. Do not sleep on this method, trust me. It's so easy, and at 250 it's so free. We were just buying them at 350 yesterday, and I've had no problem selling those ones. Ideally, you don't want to be paying over 250 because it's so easy, but eventually you might end up paying higher. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. You can see someone is also bidding at the same price, right? If you lower it to 200, you'll see some more here, and you can bid 250 like that, nice and easy. And the best part about consumables is you can get as many as you want, and you can just send them to your club, and you can list them when you want. For example, I expect the market to do pretty poorly after 6 tomorrow on Friday, and then maybe rise and then keep dropping into the night, and maybe rise Saturday morning. We'll do some overnight flips. I think Saturday the market will just die the entire day, and then Sunday as well. We also have score battle rewards as well as FUT champs rewards the whole day, and just a regular panic. But I think the market will perform pretty poorly on Sunday too. Probably a brief rebound at 6 p.m. though on Sunday, so maybe we'll be there to invest in that. But healings are gonna be the way because there's zero risk and you won't lose coins, and you will get tons of lazy sales as people are playing the game. People just buy the healings as quick as they can because they don't care. But 250 is the golden price in my opinion. If you can snipe them for 250 as well, go ahead. It is pretty competitive on the snipes. But yeah, while they're low, you should buy them. Whether there's more supply or not, I would not be worried about these. I have not been worried about the ones I paid 350 for. Because worst case, you can lazy sell them for 650, which is still profit. It's just less profit. But you can see there are other people bidding because obviously it is such an OP method. And word is getting around. And honestly, people probably just need the healings too. So some people will stock up. But all these guys bidding 250 as well as me, we're obviously traders. So yeah, I can't recommend a method more. Obviously playing it safe is going to be smart. And we made a ton of coins this Thursday. I'd expect us to make a ton of coins every single Thursday. I think Thursday's rewards are going to be better than weekend league rewards, as there's a lot more tradables and a bigger coin injection every single week. So trading on Wednesday night into Thursday is probably the biggest day of the week for trading, and I think it will continue for the entire year. And Sunday into Monday should be good too, as the market should get sold off pretty hard with the weekend league rewards being pretty good for the better players, and then obviously people getting some inflation. So you'll see here, you simply will get to the screen and send them all to your club. But that is basically it, guys. Here are all the tips, obviously, that I've been posting. There's some other great traders tips as well, and obviously the advice I put throughout other periods in the day. As I said, guys, join the free trading Discord. You get free tips like these. These are just 2 tips today from me, trying to post more free tips. If you subscribe to the Twitch channel, you get 5 days free Patreon. We do give it away. And every stream, we do 5 3-day Patreon giveaways to people just in the stream at 5:45 p.m. before content, basically, and then 12:45 a.m. just for the end of the stream. Make sure you enter the weekly Discord giveaway there as well. And of course, the weekly Discord giveaway, the weekly Twitter giveaway to win 1 month free Patreon, because 1 month is obviously very valuable. Of course, follow the Twitch as well. So I'm stuttering. We stream, as I said, twice a day, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. And on Fridays, we do a 9-hour stream from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. So come through, we'll be playing all our weekly games. And if you want to just straight join the Patreon, link for all these things in the description. Other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you made plenty of coins. Keep pumping those healings. It's so easy and the risk is so low. I've gone from, I'll just quickly show you on this post. I have gone from a total amount of yesterday. I posted here in the morning. I am at, where is it? 1.35 million coins at 6:26 a.m. It's 8:09 and I was already on, at this time, 1.75. So I went up 400k in the space of 12 hours. It can be that easy. It really can. Healings will obviously be fantastic for that. And I should probably just flex this as well. I did get a little luck for my rivals rewards too. Nothing tradable though. That was of any real value. It was untradeable Van de Ven. We'll be looking at these cards throughout the weekend and hopefully make some plays. But yeah, other than that, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you made some coins. Let me know how it's going for you and how you're finding it. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Peace.